comfort of others. No smoking, please.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department. Residents of Los Angeles, get to your homes immediately. A gigantic creature was spotted at the Los Angeles airport rampaging. Also, the monorail was been destroyed by the creature. Over people was 12 injuries and 23 deaths. This creature was been confirmed as Muto, a male cat's 300 feet tall, 3,000 weight. This creature is extremely dangerous, and that can kill whenever goes up to it. If you go outside, you'd be putting in your life into extreme danger. You must stay inside to prevent this creature from destroying your home. You must bring something for your safety. You need some food, water, medical aids, towels, and a flashlight for your safety. Stay tuned for more information about this dangerous situation.